So I'm Archit Prasad, and I am a foodie by nature. So that's the reason I had to come to.
Possible.
This was my first choice because I didn't want to do any supplements or anything of that sort. And all the feedback which I received was that it was all natural. I have been trying to lose weight for past 4 years or so, but when I had joined,
Possible.
my weight was 104 kgs. And after about 3.5 months, my weight is 19.91 kgs. I hadn't gone on a proper diet program as such. But gym was something which I have been doing for quite some time, and even though I was doing it regularly, I wasn't able to see the effects. So what
Possible.
it has done is it has just shortened that journey. So the best thing I would say, it's all natural, and the staff over here, they are very supportive. And my dietitian Vasvi, she constantly made sure that I was following my plan. So I would say that, see, it's not impossible, number one. Number two, you need to constantly be focused on it. And it's like there will be times when the weighing scale will lie to you, as in it will say that no, you're not losing weight. It's not like that. You have to just be consistent in that.